Oh, here we have a parcel that's just arrived. It probably took about 8 days, even with this pandemic on. It's an attachment for a Kenwood mixer. It's a mincer unit that goes on the top, plugs in. It's supposed to be universal. It's got adapters for it. So it's got cleaning tools and everything. That's the rammer, push down, cleaning brush. It's all the tubing and the connections that go into it. It's got an adapter. Looks pretty good quality. About $65. Let's go on the front here. So if you want to make sausages and bits and pieces like that, another piece put in. I suppose it keeps tidy from the machine. It's got all sorts of cutters in here, so you can grind up sausage meat. I'm going to do some wheat for a start to make some whole wheat bread. Hopefully it'll fit. I'll do a video of it operating. It's the adapter, so I'll put it onto the mixer. Bring it out later and make it fit and show you. Put it on hold. For the time it took to get here, I'm still waiting for other stuff, but